Alright, we are live for break number 270. This is 2016 Panini Jumbo Football. Wrong box. Staring at the video like that's not the right box. Got the wrong one out. Alright, video's posted. Teams are up on my screen. And I'll give you guys a couple minutes. So I had one team sold, the Seahawks to Brett Dawson. Other than that, I didn't hear any deals. Scott, no problem. Michael, no more hoops tonight. I'm actually going on strike from buying hoops in a little bit. I'll fill out the room again here in another week or so. But as for now, I want a hoop strike. It just doesn't sell. In our group, anyway. Alright. Make sure I have some sleeves ready. Joel, I can dig that out. I might try. I do remember we talked about that. I might try to get something with more hits. I just keep hearing how popular Optic is. And what is a box of hoops? Prizm? I don't know. I'll test the waters again here. I don't have any ordered currently though. And my local card shop, they seem like they're overpriced in hoops and basketball. They have some decent prices on other boxes. Alright, good luck everybody. This is 2016 Panini Prizm Jumbo. Panini Prizm Basketball Mosaic Box, Jumbo Box, and Blaster Box. 140, 235, and 25. That's what NBA Prizms run. What I was saying earlier, I had one transaction in this break. The Seahawks changed hands. If there's anything else I need to know. Alright, 12 packs of 12. We'll divide this into 4. You asking about the Prizm Jumbo for basketball? That one was $235. All right. I'm scared of it, Michael. I'm scared of sitting on it for 3 days with people not buying in. Cam Newton, Panthers. Eddie Royal, Bears. Darren Sproles, Eagles. Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. Jay Ajayi, Dolphins, Sharkandrick West, Chiefs. Brandon Cooks, Saints. D'Angelo Williams, Steelers. Dan Marino, Dolphins, Prizm. And hoping this doesn't replace a hit. It very well could. 250 points will be randomed when we are done. Sheldon Rankins. Get my focus back. Saints, a rookie. I'll keep that in mind. That's a Prizm there. I'll keep that in mind, Michael. Darrelle Revis, Jets. Vincent Jackson, Bucks. DeAndre Hopkins, Texans. Victor Cruz, Giants. Devontae Adams, Packers. Eli Manning, Giants. Emmanuel Sanders, Broncos. Brandon Marshall, Jets. Brett Favre, decade dominance with the Pack. Cool insert. Cody Core, Bengals, a rookie. Prizm. That one, like orange shattered glass. That's what it looks like. I don't know the names of these. That one is 61 out of 75. Going to Tony Leslie. Joey Bosa, a rookie, Chargers. That one a Prizm. Jalen Smith, rookie, Cowboys. Also a Prizm. Kid Reporter. Raiders, Latavius Murray. Cardinals, John Brown. Brock Osweiler, Texans. Brent Seelick, Eagles. Matt Ryan, Falcons. Jordan Reed, Redskins. Brett Favre, Packers. 2 Brett Favres. Philip Dorsett, Colts. Prizm, Ben Roethlisberger, Steelers. Colby Fleener with the Saints. Like a gold Prizm here. That one number 205 out of 299. That one goes to Chad Satan. Leonard Floyd, a rookie, Bears. Kenny Lawler, Seahawks, rookie, Prizm. If you guys want those fillers, let me know. DeMarcus Ayers, Steelers, rookie. That's another Prizm there. These are loaded with those fillers. Alright, let's do 3 more packs here. Supposed to have 3 autographs total, but we already got Panini points. 250 worth. So there's a chance that we only see 2 autographs. Joe Flacco, Ravens. Phillip Rivers, Chargers. Allen Robinson, Jaguars. Kelvin Benjamin, Panthers. Carlos Williams, Bills. Gary Barnage, Browns. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Vance McDonald, 49ers. Adrian Peterson, Prizm, Vikings, nice. Colored Prizm for the Dolphins, J.E. Blue version, gonna go to Matt Vitagliano. This one numbered 173 out of 199. Good looking card. Darren Lee, rookie Jets. Prizm. Christian Hackenberg, also rookie, also Jets, also Prizm. LeGarrette Blount, Patriots. Brandon Pettigrew, Lions. Bilal Powell, Jets. Lamar Miller, great last name, for the Texans. Emmitt Smith, Cowboys. Colin Kaepernick, 49ers. Greg Olsen, Panthers. I see some color coming. Troy Aikman, Cowboys. It's 2 Cowboys quarterbacks, 1 Cowboys running back, and neither one of them the coveted rookies. Was this the color I saw? No, it wasn't. Harold Carmichael with the Eagles, draft gems. That one, a Prizm. Is that an insert? The color is a pretty Cam Newton. Purple with the Panthers, numbered 70 out of 99. I'm going to go to Ty Powell Sr. That's a pretty one. Be a nice set to collect a rainbow from. Will Fuller, Prizm, Texans, rookie. Austin Hooper, rookie, Falcons, Prizm card. Matt Forte, Jets. Amir Abdullah, Lions. Travis Benjamin, Chargers. Marcus Mariota, Titans. Terrence Williams, Cowboys. C.J. Anderson, Broncos. Jameis Winston, Bucks. Robert Griffin III, Browns. Jonathan Bullard, autograph card for the Bears. We get a big old lineman going to Greg Flug. Maybe it's a rare just because it's a lineman autograph. Don't see a lot of those. This one numbered 53 out of 99. Congrats on that monster. I'm sure that's everything you dreamed of. End sarcasm. Alright, moving on. Justin Forsett with the pretty shiny Prizm there. That one. Couldn't see the number on it. Going to the Ravens, which would be Michael Gogan. That one numbered 8 out of 149. DeMarcus Ayers, Pittsburgh Steelers rookie. Prizm card. Daniel Braverman, Bears. No problem, Greg. Prizm. Sorry I couldn't get you something a little more exciting there. Alright, next 3 packs. Seeing all these colors though, like this product especially, I want to find a rainbow to collect. I figure if I do it, I want to go find a 1 of 1, or the versions that have like a 1 of 1. And I want to go find some player I like and start with that and then try to complete it. And if you start with the rest, it'd probably be near impossible to get that 1 of 1 if you pick out the card. Hey, it's a hit. You're right. Prizm grade good, huh? Melvin Gordon, Chargers. Julius Thomas, Jaguars. Tom Brady, Patriots. Texans, Alfred Blue. Le'Veon Bell, Steelers. Dez Bryant, Cowboys. Mark Sanchez, Broncos. T.Y. Hilton, Colts. Quentin Patton, Prizm, 49ers. And we got a color Prizm, Julius Thomas for the Jaguars. It's one of the gold variety, numbered 250 out of 299. Maybe it's bronze, I don't know. I'm not a color expert. Anyway, for the Jags, that one going to Michael Gogan. Jordan Payton, rookie Browns. Prizm. Keenan Reynolds, rookie Ravens, Prizm. Ryan Matthews, Eagles. Doug Baldwin, Seahawks. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Jets. Matthew Stafford, Lions. Adrian Peterson, Vikings. I see a blue Prizm coming. Matt Jones, Redskins. Jamal Charles, Chiefs. CJ Spiller, Saints. And rookie introduction, Laquan Treadwell with the Vikings. And this blue Prizm is Kenneth Dixon for the Baltimore Ravens. It's going to go to Michael Gogan. This one numbered 182 out of 199. I like that blue version. Pretty card. Leonte Carew, Prizm, Dolphins, rookie. Brandon Allen, Prizm, Jaguars, rookie. Jonathan Stewart, Panthers. Zach Miller, Bears. Julian Edelman, Patriots. Eddie Lacy, Packers. Quentin Patton, 49ers. Mark Ingram, Saints. Ben Roethlisberger, Steelers. Dan Marino, Dolphins. I just brain farted there. Steve Young, 49ers. Prizm card. Golden Tate, Lions, blue Prizm. I want another pretty one going to Joel Luxina Jr. Golden Tate is numbered 158 out of 199. Nate Sudfeld, Prizm, Redskins. Kenny Clark, Prizm, rookie, Packers. And last 3 packs coming up. After this, with football, probably looking at a black gold. It's time for one of those boxes. We got Immaculate Collegiate, black gold. I got a 2012 playbook. I've got some 2010 and 2011 Crown Royale for some cheaper breaks. I've got some, one more box of Lux and a handful of black gold. That's what I'm sitting on for football. David Johnson, Cardinals. Julio Jones, Falcons. Antonio Brown, Steelers. Andy Dalton, Bengals. Michael Irvin, Cowboys. Cowboys have been kind of strong this break despite not having their rookies hit yet. Kenny Britt, Rams. Kobe Fleener, Saints. Frank Gore, Colts. Mark Ingram, Saints, Prizm. And hit number 2 is kind of another super player for the Patriots. DJ Foster going to David Lloyd. Number 4 out of 10. At least he's got a low number. Hey, maybe he'll turn into something. I've never heard of him. It is a gold Prizm, though. Top loader's got an extra little piece of plastic on it. Alright, anyway. The hits weren't so big. This one kind of another one about the color. See if we can finish with something good. That was not bad. Tennessee Titans, Derrick Henry, a rookie Prizm. Seth DeValve, Browns, a rookie Prizm. TJ Yeldon, Jags. Devin Funches, Panthers. Buck Allen, Ravens. Clay Matthews, Packers. Antonio Gates, Chargers. Torrey Smith, 49ers. Robert Woods, Bills. Kevin White, Bears. Blake Bortles, Shining Stars, Jaguars. That one a Prizm insert. Darius Jackson, Cowboys rookie. Just still not the rookie those are wanting. 246 out of 299. That one going to Lester Fornshell. You're going to get some Cowboys here. Just not the big 2. The old big 2 you get, Emmett and Troy. Malcolm Mitchell, rookie Patriots, Prizm card. Devin Fuller, Falcons, rookie, Prizm. Kendall Wright, Titans. Jacob Tamme, Falcons. AJ Green, Bengals. Amari Cooper, Raiders. Sammy Watkins, Bills. Jeremy Langford, Bears. Jordan Cameron, Dolphins. Brian Hartline, Browns. Shining Stars, Jameis Winston. I thought it looked a little different there. For the Buccaneers, this one is a gold Prizm, number 3 out of 10. Very nice card. Going to go to Roger Flint. And next one's a pretty cool one too. This one is Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Number 21 out of 75. Nice low number Prizm there. Alex Collins, Prizm, Seahawks. Paul Perkins, rookie Prizm Giants. And that was the box. Alright, stack of cards. I'm going to be sorted out. Give you guys a little more quantity. And I got a random to do real quick. Let's give away that 250 points. Copy your teams. Put them in a list. And get the dice roller. Since this was a straight fill, alphabetical order, and we roll for 6 or more. I've got 6. Randomizing the list of teams 6 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For the Cincinnati Bengals, the 31 spot, Tony Leslie has won 250 points. Tony, this one's on you. I'm sure we've talked about it before, but there are buyers out there that look for these points. If not, they're all yours. But if you want anybody to help finding a buyer, I know some people. The gold card, or the Prizm card, color cards: Darius Jackson, Cowboys rookie; Aaron Rodgers, Packers; Jameis Winston, gold out of 10; Golden Tate, Lions; Kenneth Dixon, rookie; Julius Thomas, Justin Forsett, Cam Newton, Jay Ajayi, Kobe Fleener, and Cody Core. I do kind of like the color on these. Good looking color. The autographs kind of sucked. I was going to be honest. I wish I could have pulled better. I mean, congrats to the couple that hit, and to Tony for the points. But I think we all were looking for better players than that. Offensive linemen, I mean, I respect them and all, but they get paid plenty of money to push people around. They need to keep the pins out of their hands. We don't need their signatures. No offense, I was an offensive lineman, but I know how they go. Greg got a great one. Yes. Alright guys, I'm out. Baseball is about to go live, and I'll have another break posted after that one's done. See ya.